See the question, choose the best alternative or objective type of question. First is here, if prepaid wage is given in trial balance, it is shown in answer A, alternative A, debit of trading account, B, debit of trading account and asset side, and C, debit of PL account and D, assets. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be D, assets. Prepaid wages is treated as assets, so it will shown in the asset side of balance sheet. The next question is here, outstanding salary is real account, personal account, nominal account, or D, none of these. Outstanding salary is real account, personal account, nominal account, none of these. It is personal account. Question number 3. If the manager is entitled a commission of 5% on profit before deducting commission, he will get a commission of rupees itna on profit of rupees 8,400. Alternative A is 400, B 442 and C 420. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be alternative C, 420. And the amount is 8,400 into 5% by 100. कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. Question number C. Trial balance contains the following information. 15% bank loan 40,000, interest paid 4,500, interest debited to PL account will be alternative A 6,000, B 3,000, C 4,500 and D 1,500. Here the correct answer will be alternative C 4,500. Here interest paid 4,500. So this amount, इसलिए इस अमाउंट को PL अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में दिखाएंगे 4,500. Now see the question number 5. In the trial balance are shown debtor 2,400, bad debts is 2,221, bad debts provision 324. For creating a provision for doubtful debts at the rate of 10% on debtor, the PL account will be debited. PL account को डेबिट किया जाएगा कितना? यहाँ जो डेटर 2,400 है, बैड डेट्स 221 है एंड बैड डेट्स इज 220 एंड बैड प्रोविजन फॉर बैड 324 है और डेटर पर 10% न्यू प्रोविजन मेंटेन करना है. इसको ग्रुपिंग करके देख लेंगे. बैड डेट 221 है, डेटर 2,400 है, उसका 10% कैलकुलेट करेंगे 240 आएगा. तो 221 प्लस 240 461 एंड ओल्ड रिजर्व इज ईयर 324 को माइनस करेंगे, आ जाएगा 137. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ईयर अल्टरनेटिव ए 137. Now see the question number 6. A trial balance see the question number 6 here. Question number 6 age trial balance provide you the following information. Bad debt 3,000, provision for bad debt 5,000. It is desired to maintain provision of rupees 1,500 for doubtful dates. The amount to be recorded in PL account will be कितना होगा? Bad debts here 3,000 है, bad debt 3,000 and you have to maintain doubtful as 15 new provision for doubt 1,500, to 3,000 and 1,500. Total is 4,500 and here old reserve is 5,000. So bad debts and new provision for bad debts is less than the old provision for bad debts 5000 minus कर देंगे, amount will come 500. So the correct answer will be C. Correct answer will be C, 500. The next question is here. Yani PL account will be debited with rupees 500. The next question is here. Sundry debtors. Question number 7. Sundry debtor given in the trial balance is 20,000. Further bad debts amounted rupees 1,000, and it is desired to create a provision of 5% on debtors, debts and doubtful debts, and 2% for discount. Sundry debtor will appear in the balance sheet at a figure of. बैलेंस शीट में किस फिगर पर दिखाया जाएगा? अल्टरनेटिव ए इज हियर 18,620, बी 18,600, सी 17,689 एंड डी 17,670. Here the amount of debtor is 20,000 and bad debts, further bad debts 1,000. Further bad debts is 1,000 and it is create 5% on sundry debtor. तो 20,000 से पहले फर्दर डेट्स को माइनस कर देंगे, 19,000 आएगा. 19,000 का 5% कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. 19,000 का 950 को 19,000 से माइनस कर 19,050 आएगा. उस पर हम निकाल लेंगे डिस्काउंट के लिए 2%. द अमाउंट विल कम 381. डिडक्ट दिस अमाउंट फ्रॉम 19,000 इतना. द अमाउंट विल बी 17,619. 17,619